Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva. I'm your dietitian. I am back with another video on Monsoon special. Here are the 4 replenishing drinks to beat the dehydration during monsoon. We don't hydrate our bodies enough in monsoon season because of rainy days and humid weather, which leads to dehydration. Here are some replenishing drinks to beat dehydration during monsoon. Firstly, coconut water, one of the healthiest drinks to hydrate our body in any season. It contains good amount of electrolytes, vitamins and minerals that improve energy levels. Secondly, watermelon juice. Watermelon is the best fruit which contains 90% water for rehydration in monsoon. Freshly homemade watermelon juice is refreshing and hydrating. Third, infused water. It can be prepared as per your choice. Try adding cucumbers, mint, watermelon, etc. to make this monsoon hydrating. Fourth, smoothies. Smoothies can keep fuller for longer hours and rehydrate your body. A delicious smoothie with berries, nuts, seeds is an amazing healthy add-on. But do not add sugar. Not just summers, but dehydration can be a problem in rainy days as well. Include these amazing 4 drinks and stay hydrated. Like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian on YouTube. I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.